Hi, girl. You look gorgeous. Thanks, girl. You too. Huh?
Hey, guys. I'm so glad that it's a new day at our new school.
Our school is the best. Oh, I can't wait to start learning new things. Ooh, our bus. Awesome. All aboard. Yay! The classes are about to start. Hurry up.
Did you do your homework?
Of course.
1 + 1 = 2, and 2 + 2 = 4.
Wow. Is the lesson over already?
It means that I get to read. And they lived happily ever after. Wow, great story. Oops, I'm hungry.
Nah.
Lunch break, lunch break!
Yay!
I wonder what we are having today. I'd like some veggies. There are always veggies, and fruit and meat too.
Who wants some soda? My treat.
It was the best lunch ever. Hey, I know how to shake things up. Let's do some dancing! Woohoo! Gee, I love our school.
Yeah, their school life has become really interesting and fun. Although, I remember everything was completely different. Until that one time.
Class? Class? Oh, please, are you listening to me at all?
Gee, I'm so bored. What did you say? Teach?
Who knows the answer to this problem?
Whatever, let's say 3?
How can anyone not know that? The answer is 2.
Correct. Well done, Samuel.
Meh, learning is for losers, right? I'm out of here.
Hello? The lesson is not over yet.
Come on, look around. Who would want to study here?
You're right, but how can I fix it?
Glad you asked. I've been thinking about this for a long time. Just a sec. This is how the school of my dreams looks.
Wow, Sammy, it's amazing.
One condition, I'll be the principal.
Deal, let's get started.
Yay!
So, according to the blueprint, we should better begin with making new walls.
Don't sweat about it, Sue. I've already prepared a few construction materials.
Wow, they're amazing! As I see, you've long been wanting to become a school principal, huh?
You know me. Make way. The rainbow stairs. Check.
Let's put it right here.
Ah, perfect. Building a new school is really energy consuming. Isn't it time for a lunch break? Since I'm the mastermind of this whole thing, I can't stay hungry.
And I managed to make this. I thought this was supposed to be a blackboard.
But it looks like it's missing something.
Just what I need. Thanks. Now it's pretty easy to put it all together. I want to give it a test run. Wonderful. And here's the perfect place for it.
But our dolls are not very tall. We need something to make it easier for them to reach the blackboard.
Don't worry. I already thought everything through. Okay, what should we do next?
Susan, are you okay? Are you sick? Aha! Right, you better put on a mask.
I appreciate your concern, Sammy, but I'm fine. I just got glitter in my nose. And this mask will make excellent blinds for the windows. Check this out.
Hey, I don't see anything. We have to hurry up. We haven't even started to work on the desks for the students.
Yes, it is very important. Let's make them beautiful and stylish. These legs will prevent our desks from rocking. Here comes the second one. Very well. Let's put it in its place.
We have a desk, so we need a chair. Here, have a look. I made it in no time.
Cool. Can you hold it, please? I will use it as a reference.
Don't forget about the legs, Susie.
Thanks. Oh, what would I do without you? These two look great together. But only one desk won't be enough for the whole school. That's why we've made a few more.
Ah, these books are so heavy. No wonder our students stopped reading.
That is why we will make a spacious backpack. This way, our dolls will carry around everything they need to study well. And, of course, it's going to look cute. Just check out this decor I came up with. We shouldn't forget about shoulder straps as well. Here we go. Great. Well, the weight of the books doesn't seem to be a problem anymore. Aw, why don't I have such a backpack?
And Sam takes the field again. This is is his first game of the season. Sue, however, is a rookie. Let's see how she will perform in this game.
Uh-huh. I know exactly what to do with this. Let's give our clay ball a nice rollout. Here we go.
Oh no, what is she doing? This is a dark day for all who like to kick the ball.
Oh, Sammy, stop being so overdramatic. You know our students need a new school bus. Just look how bright it will be.
It is beautiful, Sue, but at what cost?
Come on, don't be sad, Sammy. We'll play ball later. I promise.
You're right. There's no time to be sad. Construction works don't wait. Yay!
That's the spirit. And one more piece of clay goes over here. There are so many different parts. It is so easy to get confused, but not for an experienced crafter. There we go.
I think I'm blind. I can't see. Help!
Sammy, stop fooling around.
Come on, Sue. It was funny, wasn't it?
Okay, you're right. There should always be a moment for a good laugh.
I can make it. I know I can make it. Stay focused, Sam. Ow! The wheels are done.
And they are perfect, thank you, Sammy. What do you say, friends? Do you like our bus?
Susie, I found a perfect spot for the library. Could you give me a hand?
Sure. Oh, you're right. This spot is perfect. And now, of course, we need books. I love reading about space and different fairy tale worlds. 3, 2, 1, and the book cover's done. This book is about something really cute. It's called The Adventures of a Pink Teddy Bear. I'd love to read it. And you, Sammy?
Yeah, the title sounds interesting, but there should be a comfy space to enjoy the books.
You mean like this?
Yes. The bookcase looks a bit empty, though. Now we're talking.
I want to add a few more details to make this library a really relaxing place.
Yo, Teach! Let's make some noise! During breaks, of course.
I don't mind it at all.
It looks amazing. I'm kinda thirsty. Do we have a water dispenser or something?
Not yet, but you actually just gave me an awesome idea. We simply have to make a vending machine for the school cafeteria. What do you think? This way our dolls will be able to choose whatever they want.
I'm like a flash! Check this out, Sue! While you were talking, I ran out to the store and bought everything!
Cool! This is just what we need. Oh, weren't you thirsty?
That's right. Like a true crafter, I forgot about my own needs while I'm busy creating.
True. In the meantime, our vending machine is done. I like it.
Me too! Hey, wait a minute! How do I get a code from there?
Easy peasy. And this is where the cafeteria will be. Yum! Desserts from my favorite bakery. And here's something not so sweet.
Sue, we have to speed up. Our students will arrive soon.
Don't panic, Sammy. We're almost done.
We forgot about this. Whoa! Nearly dropped it. There should be a place for the girls to store their belongings.
Oh, you're so thoughtful. And here's a surprise from me. Our new school uniform will include fancy hats. I'm sure the girls will love this idea. Now let's cut out the bottom for our future hat. And here comes its top. Would you just look how beautiful it turns out? And it fits in here perfectly.
Hey, Susie, what do you say? Doesn't it look good on me? Hey!
Sorry, Sammy, but let's leave them for our students, okay? They also can keep their backpacks over here. Ow, so cute! And these are so their legs don't get tired from a long school day. I'll put a couple more pairs of sleepers over here. Great! And this is the garage for the school bus. Awesome!
What? Where is our school? Wait, is that a cafeteria?
Yes, and it smells amazing here!
We even have our own bus. Cool.
From now on, y'all will study in comfort thanks to Sammy.
Oh, come on. It's not such a big deal. Hey, stop that. Enough already.
We did great, didn't we?
Yeah, high five. We're amazing.
Friends, thanks for being with us today. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe.
And stay as cool and awesome as you are now. Bye-bye.
See you soon.